Hello students, now we are going to solve the remaining part of the exercise number 10b. Okay, so let's get start. Now question number 7, that is 36% of the maximum marks is required to pass a test. Okay, a student gets 123 marks and is declared failed by 39 marks. Find the maximum marks. Students, here that particular student gets 123 marks. Okay, so we have to find out the maximum marks. So first of all, let total marks be, we are going to consider that total marks b is equal to x. 36% of maximum marks to pass a test. How many marks he want to get to pass a test? That is 36% marks to pass a test. So 36 upon 100, and we have to find out the total marks. So find out the total marks. Consider x is equal to, that particular students get 123 marks, and how he is declared that he was failed by 39 marks. So उसको कितने परसेंट मार्क्स की जरूरत है? That is 123 marks he already gets and plus 39 he required to pass. Okay, so that is 123 plus 39 means उसको कितने मार्क्स चाहिए पास होने के लिए? That is 162 मार्क्स उसको चाहिए ताकि वो पास हो सके एग्जाम में. So 36 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 162. So x as it is 162, जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो इक्वेटर में चला जाएगा एंड जो न्यूमरेटर में है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. Now I'm going to reduce this 162 multiplied by 100 upon 36 by first of all I'm going to reduce this 36 and 162 by 2. So 2 18s are 36, that is 18. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Again I am going to reduce this 18 and 81 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, here 2 remain, 2 7s are 21. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So again 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100, 9 multiplied by 50. So x is equal to 450. So how many marks? Total marks of examination. The total marks of examination marks 450 is the maximum marks of the exam. Question number 8. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% of them and still he has 420 apples. Find the number of apples he had originally. So first of all we are going to write shopkeeper sold how many percentage of apples? 40% of apples he already sold, and still he remained 420 apples with him. 420 apples means 40% एप्पल सोल्ड करने के बाद भी उसके पास 420 एप्पल्स बच जाते हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल एप्पल्स. सो लेट द नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स बी x. So 40 upon 100 into total number of apples plus still he remained 420 apples is equal to x. म्हणजे हमें total number of apples count करने हैं. So this 1 0 is cancelled, this 1 0. So 4 upon 10 multiplied by x plus 420 is equal to x. So x as it is, this term x की टर्म की वैल्यू यहाँ पे जाके माइनस में 4 upon 10 x, 420 as it is. Now again I am going to take out the denominator equal. So 10x minus 4x, 10 as it is. Now 420. So 10x minus 4x is equal to 6x upon 10. 420. So 420 I am going to denominator. So 10 x as it is. 420 upon 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 sevens are 42. 0. 10 multiplied 70 multiplied by 10. So our answer is 700. So how many apples he had originally? So number of apples he had originally are 700 apples with him. Number 12, that is gunpowder contains 75% of nitrate and 10% of sulfur, and the rest of it is charcoal. Find the amount of charcoal in 8% of gunpowder. Now, how many percentage of nitrate? 70% of nitrate, niter, 10% of sulfur. What is the percent of charcoal then? Charcoal. We have to find out the percent of our charcoal. So 100% में से niter is 75 and sulfur is 10. So I am going to minus 75 and 10 from 100, and that is 15% of charcoal. So charcoal की quantity कितनी है? 100% के ऊपर 100% के ऊपर चारकोल की क्वांटिटी 15% है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द परसेंटेज ऑफ चारकोल इन 8 kg ऑफ गन पाउडर. सो 8 kg गन पाउडर में कितने परसेंट चारकोल है ये हमें फ्रेंड्स काउंट करना है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दिस 8 kg इनटू ग्राम. मीन्स 1 kg इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी? 1000 gram. So 8 kg means how many? 8000 gram. Okay. So charcoal percentage is equal to 15% of 8000. ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. So 15 upon 100. 100 में से 15% चारकोल है of 8000. 8000 में कितने परसेंट चारकोल का है? We have to find out this. These two zeros are cancelled with these two zeros. So 15 multiplied by 80 is equal to 1200 gram of charcoal is percentage in. So the quantity of charcoal is 1200 gram in 8 kg of gunpowder. That is the answer. Question number 13. Sonal went to school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, find the number of days on which the school was open. Okay students, here we have to find the number of days on which the school was open. So first of all I am going to write Sonal attended. How many days she was attended for school? Attended of school is 219. Sonal attendance is 75% attendance. So we have to find out the total number of school days. Days of school open. कितने दिन स्कूल ओपन थी उसके डेज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ये डेज हमें कैलकुलेट करने. सो लेट द ओपन डेज बी एक्स. सो 75% अपॉन 100 एक्स के ऊपर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ स्कूल ओपन डेज 219. सो एक्स एज इट इज 219. ये 100 डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा. जो न्यूमरेटर में 75 आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 75 on the place of denominator. So x, now I am going to reduce this by 5. 25. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. So 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9. 73 multiplied by 4 is equal to 292 days. Total number of days school get opened is 292 days. 292 days is the answer of this question. Number 17. The price of a sweater is increased by 8% if its increased price is rupees 1566. Find the original price. Here increased price of sweater is 8%. Its increased price is 1566 and we have to find out the original price of the sweater. So increased percentage, how many percent of increment? Increased 8%. increased price कितनी है, कितना बढ़ गया स्वेटर की प्राइस? Price of the sweater is 1566 is the increased price and we have to find out original price of sweater. Original price of sweater BX. So कैसे find out करते हैं original price को? X plus 8/100 कितने ऊपर original price is X and increased price is 1566. So I'm going to do denominator equal. So 100x plus 8x 1566. 100x plus 8x is equal to 108x upon 100. 1566 x 1566 multiplied by 100 divided by 108. Now I am going to reduce this by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 16 2 8s are 16. So again 2 3s are 6. 2 now I am going to reduce this by 3. 3 1s are 3. 2 3 8s are 24. Again this by 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3. 8 and 3 6 are 18. 3 8s are 24. 2 remain. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 27 remain. 3 9s are 27. So 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 100. So 29 multiplied by 50. 29 multiplied by 50. So x is equal to 0 4 4 5. So what will be the original price of the sweater? Original price of the sweater is rupees 1450. It will be the original cost of the sweater.